Alright, hello and welcome to another Math Counts problem tutorial. So today we will be covering problem number 14 in the 2010 chapter sprint round. So let's read through our question. The first and seventh terms of the sequence are each 10. Starting with the third term, each term is the sum of the previous two terms. What is the fifth term? Alright, so let's write out our 7 terms. 4, 5, 6, 7. So we know that the first and the last terms are 10. So what do we want to do? Because each term is the sum of the previous two terms, how about we insert a variable in for the second term, and then we can express the second through the sixth terms all in terms of this variable. So if we have x, then the third term is the sum of the first term and the second term, so it is 10 plus x. And then the fourth term will be 10 plus 2x, fifth term is 20 plus 3x, and then the sixth term will be 20 plus 5x. And if you notice, by this pattern, the seventh term would be 50 plus 8x. But we also know that this equals 10. So now we have our equation. So we 50 plus 8x equals 10. So we can subtract 50 from both sides to get 8x equals negative 40. So x equals negative 5. So we want to the fifth term, which means that we want 20 plus 3x, and if x is negative 5, this gives us that it will be 20 plus 3 times negative 5, which is 5. So our fifth term is 5. Alright, let's do a second practice problem. Let's say that again we have a 7-term sequence, but this time the first term is 5. Alright, and then the last term is 65. Alright. I will give you a few seconds. You can pause the video here. Alright. So, let's see. So again, we want to write out our 7 terms. So like this. So we have 5, 65. So again, let's say x is the second term. So this means that our third term is 5 plus x, our fourth term is 5 plus 2x, our fifth term is 10 plus 3x, and then our sixth term is 15 plus 5x. Which means that the sixth term, which is 65, should also be equal to 25 plus 8x. And if we subtract 25 from both sides, we should get that 8x equals 40 and that x equals 5. And I forgot to mention it, again we want the fifth term. So our fifth term will be 10 plus 3 times x, which is 25. Alright. So now that we have that, so let me give you a third practice problem. But this time, I'm not going to give you the answer or work out the problem on the video. I want you to work out the problem by yourself and leave your answer in the comments section. So let's say that we have our sequence that has 8 terms. So once again, after the second term, so third term and on, each term is the sum of the previous two terms. And let's say that our first term is 10 and that the last term is 210. And what is the sixth term? Alright. So I want you to solve this question and put your answer in the comments section. Alright. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like, subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching again, and I will see you later as we continue this journey through the chapter rounds. Alright. Bye.